Chef Winston GeL. Today's recipe dish creation is authentic Jamaican style curry chicken. It's freshly parts cooked up chicken with curry powder, coconut oil, crushed black pepper, and green onion scallion, herbal thyme, and onions, fresh garlic powder, onion powder, and red hot scotch bonnet pepper, and chicken seasoned spices. Also, we'll have in this recipe, we will have carrots chopped up, we will have Idaho potato diced up, we will have chayote, otherwise known as chocho, and we will also have in this recipe, yes, some broccoli. Chef Winston GeL. So, let's prep the chicken, get the chicken ready, and after prepping the chicken, heat the oil and get the chicken into the pot, all seasoned and ready to go. It's love we sell. Together we rise with Chef Winston GeL. Enjoy this journey. Chef Winston GeL. We rise, we shine. You dream, I dream, perfectly aligned. All chicken parts are chopped up in small pieces and carefully washed and drained. After draining, chicken is placed inside of a bowl. Then apply the various spices, seasoning, and herbal thyme, and black pepper, curry powder heated in the oil, and also curry powder on the freshly washed chicken, along with onion powder, along with garlic powder, and also fresh garlic into the heated oil, along with the curry powder. And after the oil is heated, carefully place the seasoned up prep chicken inside of the heated oil cooking pan, and then covered up and allow cooking time to take place to just marinate the flavors and to continue the preparation process. When the chicken is almost cooked, you are going to add some chopped up Idaho potatoes, and it will be followed by some chopped up, diced up carrots. After the carrots, we will also add some bell peppers into the mix, and very colorful bell peppers in the mix. And we will add the remainder of the spices. We'll add chicken spice. We'll add fresh garlic, and we will add thyme. Onion, scallion, and scallions, onions, tomatoes, and then top it the conclusion of this preparation. This is Chef Winston GeL.
It's not about fame, it's love we sell. Together we rise with Chef Winston GeL. Chef Winston GeL, we rise.